MILLSTAR's EIV5 end mill is revitalizing conventional practices for the modern machine shop, providing a unique combination of radial grind, variable helix, variable pitch, and radius preparation for maximum versatility and surgical precision. It's an ideal choice for applications that demand the highest level of accuracy and repeatability, including aerospace and medical manufacturing. MILLSTAR's EIV5 optimizes your machining operation with an impressive range of features, including a reinforced cutting edge to allow increased chip load without risk of edge failure, variable pitch to accommodate large stepovers with no bottom vibration, variable helix to eliminate side vibrations while achieving greater depth of cut, corner radius preparation for longer machining times without radius failure, exceptional performance with high-temperature alloys, for example, titanium at 300 surface feet per minute, 2 times workpiece diameter with 20% step over, and a 0.6% chip load. All MILLSTAR tooling is engineered and manufactured in the United States and backed by our outstanding service support staff. The MILLSTAR EIV5, amazingly versatile, surgically precise.